Hi, today we're going to look at function operations with multiplication. So again, we've got our f of x, g of x, h of x, and we're going to combine them in different ways. So you see an f and a g, we have that dot in the middle for multiplication. I want to take this group and just multiply them together. So let's set it up, see what happens. 5x times 3x plus 1. Okay, so we've got one group on the outside, we've got that binomial on the inside. Let's just distribute. 5x and 3 gives us 15x squared. 5x and 1 gives us 15x. Can we combine these? Are they like terms? No. This guy's got that exponent of 2. This one has no exponent that you can see. So two completely different things. We leave them, bring down that function notation. F times g of x. And those guys are combined. What happens when we have g times f? Does anything change? Well, the order changes, but does anything else happen? 3x plus 1, and then our f is 5x. So looking at the first problem and the second problem, we just kind of switched the order. If you remember back to the commutative property, it doesn't matter which way that we're multiplying, you're still going to get the same order. So here we distributed 5x from the front. Here we're going to distribute 5x from the back, and you're still going to come up with the same answer here. So it does not matter when we're multiplying. So I'm just going to cut to the end. 15x squared plus 15. So you come up with the same answer. The only thing that's different is what we put in the very front. And now let's look at g and h. So again, we're going to multiply them. Let's set them up. So we have 3x plus 1, I'll group it, and x squared plus 2, and I'll group that. So now we have a binomial and a binomial. Now we just need to make sure we distribute 3x twice, distribute that 1 twice. So let's see what we get when we combine everything. 3x and x squared, 3x to the third. We want to add the exponents. 3x and 2 gives us 6x. 1x squared, and then 2. 1 times 2. Remember, there's multiplication. Now, let's just put it in order and bring down our function notation. So highest exponent first. You could leave the 1 here if you wanted, no big deal. So again, all I did, I just changed the order and I put it highest exponent to lowest. And then bring down that function notation, g times h of x. And there you go. The only other thing that we can find here is our domains. What numbers am I allowed to plug in? For x, here I can plug in any single number. Nothing's going to stop me from that. Again, this is the same problem, or same answer rather. And does anything change when you have an exponent of 3? No. Again, I can plug in any number I want. There's no stopping me. Don't even try it. All real numbers. And that's finding function operations with multiplication.